What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide WhatsApp online status while chatting. So all you have to do is just simply open up your WhatsApp and click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, then click on settings. Go ahead and click on privacy, then you want to click on last seen and online, and from here you will have a bunch of options. Now for the first option that said who can see my last scene, ensure you tap on nobody so nobody can see that. And for the option that says who can see when I'm online, you want to ensure that it is says same as last seen. And both ways you want to have it so nobody can see. So whenever you're online now, nobody will be able to see when you last seen or while you're on or while you're online and even type in. Keep in mind, if you disable the second option, you won't be able to see other people as well. So if it's something that you don't mind, then go ahead and tap same as last seen. If you want to see when someone is offline, then you just simply have to bear with it and just leave it on everyone. But if you want to disable, just simply click same as last seen and nobody, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.